Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Okay, little pups, are you ready? Fizzy, throw the ball!
Okay.
Good fetching, pup. Come on, that's it. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, that's lovely. Lovely and wet.
What's that noise?
Oh, look, Phoebe. Paw prints. Let's investigate.
The puppy is eating something.
Oh no! That puppy's gonna need more lunch.
No, Fizzy, does that mean we don't get any lunch?
Phoebe, of course we'll have some lunch. We've just gotta make some, that's all.
Yep, but where do we start?
Well, we're gonna need some ingredients.
Can we make a puppy-shaped sandwich?
Great idea, Phoebe. Let's use a bit of the old Fizzy magic. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Whoa, Fizzy, what is all this stuff?
Well, Phoebe, we have cookie cutters, and we have cute puppy dog stickers, and we also have... Exactly! We also have this super cute puppy called Sprinter who loves to run.
Whoa, go, puppy, go! You are so fast! Oh, hey there! Oh, I think you like me.
Oh, Miss Hands, could you show us how to make a puppy dog sandwich, please?
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Oh, you're making a puppy dog lunch. This is gonna be so cool. Let's start by making the sandwich. So we're gonna start by spreading some tasty peanut butter onto our bread. Right over here onto this slice first, I think. Yeah, there we go. And on the other side, we're gonna add our jelly. There we go. Let's spread that all over our slice of bread. And next, we are gonna close our sandwich up, just like that. Perfect.
Miss Hands, we could use a cookie cutter.
Absolutely. I have my cookie cutter right here, and it's shaped like a little puppy. You see that? And we're gonna place it on the bread and give it a good firm push. Fizzy, would you like to have a go?
Yeah!
I can do it, I can do it, I can do it!
Phoebe, you could do the next one.
But I want to!
Phoebe, we could take it in turns.
Oh, okay. I'm next.
Good problem solving. Now you need to push down as hard as you can. Here goes. Hup. Push. Oh, great job, Fizzy. And we'll take these pieces away. And we can share these later.
What next?
I think Sprinter wants a bone.
How about this?
This is perfect.
I can cut this watermelon up, and I can do that because I have an adult supervising me.
Here we go.
And again.
Great job! And we have this super cute bone-shaped cookie cutter. I'm going to place it here. There we go. Great job, Phoebe. Let's make another one. Let's go over here. Whoa, these treats look awesome. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bone watermelon treats.
Uh-oh. We better move those treats away, Miss Hands.
Good idea. Let's put these in the lunchbox.
Yeah, there are so many puppies at this doggy daycare.
You're right, Phoebe. We're gonna need more food.
Yay! Did you hear that, Sprinter? More food.
Well, we still have carrot and cucumber to cut into shapes.
Can I do it again?
Of course you can. We have this cute little bone shape and this little puppy dog. Ready, Phoebe?
I'm gonna push the bone shape down. Ooh.
Let's do another one. Well done, Phoebe. 4 tasty carrot bones.
Cucumber time! This is gonna look as cool as
Cucumber. Yeah.
And cucumbers are very cool.
puppy.
And over here.
Woof, woof, woof. I did it!
Well done, Phoebe. These will be so cool in our lunchbox.
Let's add them in.
Do we have any snacks?
Of course, Phoebe. We have plenty of snacks. These look like paw prints.
Awesome! Whoa, it all looks so tasty! Ruff, 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 ruff.
I think that Pop agrees with you, Phoebe.
This lunchbox looks amazing. Now let's decorate it.
Oh, I know. We should let each pup choose a sticker.
Yeah.
Let's use these super cute puppy stickers.
Oh, look. That one has a bow in its hair and is wearing heart-shaped glasses.
Oh, and that one has a crown. I'm gonna call it Louie. Okay, let's stick them on. Whoa, Fizzy and Phoebe, this lunchbox looks awesome.
So, let's see what's in our lunchbox. We have our pop sandwich, our watermelon bones, our carrot treats, our cucumber pups, and our super cute paw chips.
Whoa, pups, it's time for lunch!
Oh, they love it!
They really do!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time!